Yeah, I honestly have a great crew. I was gonna say I have a great crew today, but most days I do have great crews. Yeah, I'm just pretty fortunate. The dogs that I look after are super sweet, and they normally know their manners. Sometimes, I do have to, of course, I do have to supervise, but on the whole, they're really good. They know how to communicate, and they love being out here. So out here, I really don't have to do any sort of classroom management, behavioral management. It's usually at home because the space is smaller. Sometimes one pup wants to play and the others don't. Just stuff like that. But out here, yeah, pretty much free roam for them, and they just love it. I mean, who wouldn't love the ability to do whatever the heck we want to do and to explore and do all that good stuff? Good boy. Yeah, see, they'll disappear and then they'll reappear, which is great. Good job, guys. Look at, yeah, like I love that they're just oozing with happy energy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, Penny's not showing any signs that she's, fallen yesterday. So, and actually I have almost forgotten just because she hasn't shown any signs. Like, it just occurred to me right now to check. And yeah, I mean, just the fact that she's running with them, she's not whining, she's not staying back, she's acting completely normal. So that's really good. Yeah, poor her. She lost her footing and took a tumble down a bank yesterday and rolled like a log for a quarter of it, I think. And it just kind of shocked her body, obviously, but like her leg didn't get caught in anything, and so nothing was broken. Probably just bruised and a slightly bruised ego. I think when we fall and stuff like that, it's our ego that takes the biggest hit, and it's probably the same for the dogs. Yeah, so I thought today we would make our way to the boardwalk. We're just taking it super nice and easy. And the active ones are always running in and out of the bushes, so they keep themselves occupied and busy so that my pace isn't too slow for them. Right? Because otherwise my pace is pretty darn slow. Yeah, and my excuse is that I have 2 feet as opposed to 4. That, and I'm a lot older than these guys. Yeah, none of these guys are 50. Hey. Good girl. Good boy, Chewy. Chewy's soaked. But he doesn't seem to notice or care. Yeah, they're a pretty cohesive group. Like they act like they're a pack, and like 2 of them are brand new. Like, not brand new, but like they just came today. I'm sure they've all known each other from past visits. Cause most of my clients, practically all of them are my regulars. So it's super nice. It's nice for them too. Like they feel at home because it's like, oh, same faces, familiar faces. Good job, guys. Good boy, Milo. Yeah, and it's super funny. Like, Goldie's pretty calm when she's at home, but out here she's pretty exploratory. You know? Well, they think they found something up there. It's probably like a squirrel. They're all just scrambling in there. It's kind of funny. Milo, over here. Yeah, don't be going the wrong way, buddy. Good job. Good job, guys. Good boy. Yeah, and usually I have one or two dogs. Not all the time, but usually I have one or two that just stick close to me, you know, like, and this time it's charcoal. Good boy, buddy. Yeah, the rest of them are out exploring, which is awesome. Making the best use of our natural forested area here. Good job, guys. Yeah, Chewy hardly gets any camera time. Hi, Chewy! Good boy. Good girl, Penny. Good boy, Charcoal. Oh, there's Chewy. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, buddy. Yeah. Good boy. Milo's always hoping for a treat. Hey, Milo. Good boy. I don't know if it's just me, but they actually seem more active today on a rainy day than on a sunny day. And it could be because they're cool, you know, they're not hot. They're not sweltering. Good job, guys. That, or you know, really, they're just running around trying to find shade from the rain. They're not. They're just having fun. Yeah, there was the cutest little kid yesterday, and he came up to me and he was like, "Are you here for a purpose? Or are you here for a reason?" Oh, and it was so cute. And I was like, "Yep, I'm here because I'm a dog sitter and this is their playground." Good boy, Chewy. Oh, yeah. Good job, guys.